Hello guys, today I want to show you new budget gaming mechanical keyboard with a gasket structure and with a wireless connection. This is a CQ0A2 from Huaji. This is a 3-mode mechanical keyboard. Let's open the box, let's check what is inside, and let's do a test. First of all, what you will have inside the box? You will have a pretty nice USB-C, USB-A cable. You have several additional switches, and you will have a keycap and switch puller, user manual, and the keyboard itself. So let's check, let's do the closer look. First of all, do not forget to remove this transparent film from the screen. Here you go. Okay, so what do we have? This is a 75% mechanical keyboard, 10K less, so you don't have this additional block with arrows and numpad, right? But you have your arrow keys on the right bottom side, and you have del, page up and page down also on the right side. What is nice is that you have a mechanical metal knob on this keyboard, so you can easily change a volume up and down and mute, right? This is really cool. We have a double shot or maybe single shot, but this is a PBT keycaps. Let me quickly check. Yeah, this is a double shot PBT keycaps. Let me show you closer, right? You see that we have a double layer inside these keycaps, and we have a crisp legend on the front side, right? So underneath we have switches. And this is a linear pre-lubed WGA switches with pretty nice sound, but we will do the sound test in a couple of minutes. Just please wait for this. And we have a 5-pin with RGB windows on this side. So under the switch I can see that we have north-facing RGB, we have switch pad, which is great for the structure of the keyboard, and also this is a gasket-mounted keyboard, so we can see some small flexibility. And this PCB accepts 3 or 5-pin switches. From this side I can see that we have a switch between Win or iOS, which means that this keyboard can support both operational systems. We have USB-C for charging, and we have a Bluetooth cable or 2.4 wireless connection switch, so you can choose how to connect this keyboard to your PC or laptop. On the back side we have 2.4 GHz wireless dongle on a magnet spot, so you will not, forget this anywhere. It's pretty nice. And we have 2-level adjustable fits. And inside this case you have 4000 mAh battery, which is enough for more than 1 hour, 100 hours of usage. Also, what is a great addition to this keyboard, and this is a screen. So next to the mechanical knob you have a screen, and you can change a lot of settings starting from language, for example. So I want to change to English, and now I can do for example effects, brightness, color, speed of this RGB, volume, a lot of different stuff. And obviously the main point, I can choose how to connect this keyboard to my laptop. From RGB point of view, you have several options. You can change speed and color and brightness and pattern, and you can do this using this screen and knob, or from the keys itself using function and backslash, right? But how this keyboard is sound?